All right, I'm about to go underneath the 2017 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 with 4,200 miles that I bought from Carvana a few days ago. I'm gonna go underneath and take the first look underneath. Let's see. A little chewed up. Good thing I'm not claustrophobic. Some weird marks. Missing cover for the air oil filter. There it is. What does that look like inside? Drop of oil, a couple drops of oil. I don't know if you can see that. Brakes, transmission, no leaks, steering gear. What about this side? It looks like a starter motor. Engine looks dry. Maybe just a stereotypical oil filter. Is my shifter. Let's see if I can focus in on it. It's a Torsen differential. Oh wow, it's not even touching. Yeah, no, I got the heebie jeebies for sure. Time to get out. Fuck. All right, I think I'll go back out the same way I came in. I'm out of here. Ooh, how about this way? Yeah. Woo. That was fun.